Okay, hi everyone. We're here today, Kirsten and Caleb here from Xerox.
Kyle and Sam from JC Bulmer.
Okay, thank you for meeting with us today. So we're hoping that you'll be interested in some of the options our business offers that can help you out with your business issues. Um, to start out, we know that you are having issues with recycling of your printer cartridges, and your printers are kind of older, and we have MPS service we can offer to you that we can discuss further, but we are wondering what some of your concerns were within your company.
We are really, like you mentioned, we're looking to decrease our carbon footprint because, like you said, our cartridges are, we're having trouble disposing of them. We're also looking to increase our productivity, so having a system that is more efficient to work with and easier to work with is very important to our company.
Yes, that's also important, but we don't want to set. We're not willing to go extreme on costs. We're looking to cut the costs. Recently, we had to fire 12 employees on costs alone. We are not flexible on this. Another issue that we have is security. We work with sensitive information from our clients, and these documents that your service say you will be printing for us, these must remain secure.
Okay, well, I want to let you guys know that Xerox has been in business, as you know, since the 1950s. We have a lot of great business experience, and we're well aware of confidentiality issues, and we are definitely sensitive to that.
Speaking to the environmental side, we understand you guys are trying to reach your ISO 1401 designation. So I wanted to bring up a program we have to help with that called our Printer Awareness Program, which will actually help you and your employees cut your costs by showing how much each print you do is worth and the money and how much you print on each printer for how often. So using that, we can not only help you cut your costs, but you guys can help yourselves cut the costs by looking at what you do and how much it'll cost before you print. And that'll also help your carbon footprint by reducing wasted documents and papers that are printed.
Well, how much does it cost for each of your printers to print?
So we have a flat rate, I believe. It's 40 cents per non-colored paper, and the other, or no, it's 4 cents per non-colored paper and 39 cents for colored paper. Okay, my pardon. And for the local printers, we have a flat rate charge, and that is $67, I believe, for the non-colored and $85 for the colored.
Because currently we're paying around just over 50 cents for our colored paper, and on an average we're paying about 4.5 cents per non-colored. So being able to drop our price, especially on the non-colored paper, seeing as we print quite a few documents of this, would be very important to us.
Yeah, I looked at your guys' numbers, and even with, those base rates, you guys would be saving money, and we'd be doing the work for you. Perfect. So.
Yeah, and just keep in mind that we are aware that you don't want to sacrifice the quality and that you want to be cost effective and efficient. And we're also keeping in mind your productivity as well. Through our products, we're definitely going to be focusing on helping your company improve in those areas.
So, on the basis of increasing our productivity, so this printing would now then be on your side. We would be relieved of that.
Yes, that's right. We will look after your printing issues. That's definitely the service we offer, so that will free up a lot for you. And we understand that your IT person is a little strained at the moment with the older printers as well. And so by working with us, we're very open to any issues you have, and we would continue communication with you and have regular meetings. We're very easy to work with, and so you just let us know and we'll always keep you up to date and informed. But those sorts of things would definitely relieve some stress within your company.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So the proposition of a deal, but what separates you guys from others? Because there's plenty of printing services. I understand that Xerox is one of the larger printing services, but why should we go with you over, say, some up-and-coming businesses?
We have patents on technology that they can't have. A lot of us consider us to be the foundation of computers. where they started. So basically, we have technology that these little companies just won't be able to provide you, such as our print awareness tool and the IT services we provide. Because I understand, speaking to the financial side, you guys have also been buying a lot of new printers to compensate for the lack of IT. Having us here to, fix your printers and maintain them should help cut costs by not having to buy as many printers. We also help printer layout and showing you guys what printers to buy so that you can be most efficient.
Okay.
All right, so yeah, at this point, we're interested in any of your questions or concerns, or if you're having any other issues you'd like to discuss in terms of Xerox as a company.
Okay, so just to clarify, the numbers you mentioned about like the $300.
So for
That's
security, you mentioned that you have history of confidentiality.
Okay.
That's very important. That's very good that you understand the seriousness of our confidentiality. But we cannot understand. We work with some of the largest financial advisors in the country and on the continent. So is there any like specific programs you can mention that?
What we could do is we could provide you with more information in regards to that and reports. We could even schedule another meeting with our IT systems people to give you more detailed information on that.
So another thing is you mentioned it's what 4 cents to print auto and 39. So if you're looking to secure a business contract with us, would you be willing to give us better rates on that, or is that something that you're completely set in stone?
I'd say we'd be open to negotiation, but I think those are pretty standard rates for what we can charge you guys to provide all the services we provide.
Kyle, do you have any questions for them?
Utilize the MCS with the HV LaserJet 1300.
No, not really.
Color LaserJet.
Okay, so at this point, what we can do is have a follow-up meeting to address any of your other concerns, and if you like, or if you're interested in going ahead with this today, we're welcome to doing that. So we'd really like to know how you're feeling about this decision.
I believe with your reduced,
So right now, we're not using it as much as we possibly
with your ability to help us reduce our need to perform specific functions within our business, that will increase our productivity, as well as your recycling program that would also help us reduce our carbon footprint. So in my eyes, this is a very doable situation here. Do you have any other thoughts?
I agree. I think this negotiation could lead to a great partnership. I would like to schedule a second meeting to negotiate on price, because ensuring a good deal on the cost per sheet as well as the base cost is very important in saving us money. So I think while we're in good standing here, that having a second meeting to get into the finer details of the deal that we were able to come to would be in the best interest of both parties.
would that be possible?
Okay, that sounds great. All right, so we will send you an email with our meeting minutes, and so you can review these issues and get back to you for a follow-up meeting with more information. And we really look forward, and we're glad that we met today. And we agree, we feel like it would be a really good working relationship between both of us. So thank you for meeting with us today.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
Great. Thanks.